Let's see how we add a demo student in D2L. So let's go under Class List. We see several options there, but we want to click on Create Demo Account. So if we click there, we can see in our class list that it has added a demo student. So there's several things we can do with this student if we click the arrow, and one of them is Impersonate. So click on Impersonate and click Yes. Now that we're in impersonation mode, we can do a quality check. The purpose of the quality check is to make sure that all the content that we've created is visible to the students and appears just how we'd like it to appear to them. As we navigate through all the modules, we can see all the content that we've created and how it appears to the students when they log in to the course. We can make sure that any discussions that we've set up or any other content that we have created is visible to the students. And we can also see that there are some items up there on the toolbar that are not accessible to the students but are accessible to the instructors. We're going to exit the demo mode by going to the top right-hand corner and clicking there, clicking on the X there beside the demo student. That will leave the demo mode, and we no longer see the icon there in the corner, and we see the additional items across the toolbar like Course Admin. And that is how you add a demo student and do a quality check in D2L.